Section formula. Consider any 2 points A that is x1, y1 and B that is x2, y2. Let P of x, y divides AB in the ratio m1:m2 internally. That is AP by PB is equal to m1 by m2. Consider this as equation 1. Draw AR, PS and BT perpendicular to the x-axis. Also draw AQ and PC parallel to the x-axis. Then using AA similarity criterion. Triangle PAQ is congruent to triangle BPC. Therefore, AP by PB is equal to AQ by PC, which is equal to PQ by BC. Consider this as equation 2. Now, AQ is equal to RS is equal to OS minus OR, which is x minus x1. PC is equal to ST is equal to OT minus OS, that is x2 minus x. PQ is equal to PS minus QS, which is PS minus AR, that is equal to Y minus Y1. BC is equal to BT minus CT, which is BT minus PS, that is equal to Y2 minus Y1. From equation 2, AP by PB is equal to AQ by PC is equal to PQ by BC. This implies AP by PB is equal to x minus x1 by x2 minus x, which is equal to y minus y1 by y2 minus y. Now using equation 1, we get m1 by m2 is equal to x minus x1 by x2 minus x, which is equal to y minus y1 by y2 minus y. We can write this as m1 by m2 is equal to x minus x1 by x2 minus x, or m1 by m2 is equal to y minus y1 by y2 minus y. Using cross multiplication, we get m1 into x2 minus x is equal to m2 into x minus x1, or m1 into y2 minus y is equal to m2 into y minus y1. Solving this, we get m1 x2 minus m1 x is equal to m2 x minus m2 x1, or m1 y2 minus m1 y is equal to m2 y minus m2 y1. Rearranging the terms, we get m1 x2 plus m2 x1 is equal to m2 x plus m1 x, or m1 y2 plus m2 y1 is equal to m2 y plus m1 y. Solving this, we get m1 x2 plus m2 x1 is equal to m1 plus m2 into x, or m1 y2 plus m2 y1 is equal to m1 plus m2 into y. We can write this as x is equal to m1 x2 plus m2 x1 by m1 plus m2, or y is equal to m1 y2 plus m2 y1 by m1 plus m2. Therefore, P is equal to m1 x2 plus m2 x1 by m1 plus m2, comma m1 y2 plus m2 y1 by m1 plus m2. Thus, the coordinates of the points P of x, y, which divides the line segment joining the points A, that is x1, y1, and B, that is x2, y2 in the ratio m1:m2 internally are m1 x2 plus m2 x1 by m1 plus m2, m1 y2 plus m2 y1 by m1 plus m2. This is known as section formula.